Hi, I'm Amelia, and welcome to our brand new playlist here on Book Navigator, where we bring you timeless knowledge from ancient Ayurvedic books to help you live a fit, balanced, and energized life. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian medical science, believes that food is not just fuel, it's medicine. And when we eat according to our body's natural constitution, we not only improve our health, but also bring harmony to our mind, body, and soul. In today's video, we're going to explore how to plan your diet according to Ayurvedic nutrition. But before we dive into food choices, let's first understand the basic foundation of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is based on the concept of three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These doshas represent different energies and elements in our body: air, fire, water, earth, and space. Each of us has a unique combination of these three doshas, but usually one or two are more dominant. Understanding your dominant dosha is the first step to creating a personalized diet that truly supports your body's needs. I've already discussed doshas in one of my previous videos, but today, let's focus on how you should eat based on your dosha to restore balance, enhance digestion, and promote overall well-being. Let's start with Vata-dominant individuals. If your primary dosha is Vata, you may often feel restless, energetic, and creative, but you may also experience dryness, coldness, and irregular digestion. To balance Vata, your diet should include warm, moist, grounding foods such as cooked grains like rice or oats, root vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots, and comforting soups or stews. Avoid cold salads, raw vegetables, and iced drinks as they tend to aggravate the airy nature of Vata. Next is the Pitta-dominant individual. Pittas are fiery in nature, sharp-minded, ambitious, and intense, but they can also struggle with inflammation, acidity, or irritability. To balance this fiery energy, focus on cooling and soothing foods like cucumbers, melons, leafy greens, coconut water, and dairy. Spicy, oily, or fried foods can overheat your system, so it's best to minimize those. Instead, go for fresh fruits, herbs like coriander and mint, and meals that are lightly seasoned and hydrating. Then we have Kapha-dominant individuals. If you're Kapha by nature, you're probably calm, stable, and compassionate, but may also face sluggishness, weight gain, or congestion. To balance Kapha, your meals should be light, warm, and stimulating. Think steamed vegetables, legumes, and warming spices like ginger, black pepper, turmeric, and cinnamon. Avoid heavy, creamy, oily, or overly sweet foods as they increase Kapha and slow down metabolism. Eating lighter and spicier food helps you stay energetic and alert. Now let's talk about something equally important: mindful eating. Ayurveda emphasizes not just what we eat, but how we eat. Eating in a calm, distraction-free environment allows your body to fully engage in the process of digestion. Always chew your food thoroughly, eat at regular intervals, and try not to overeat or snack mindlessly. Tune into your body's hunger and fullness signals, and allow your meal to be a moment of nourishment, not just for your body, but also for your mind and emotions. In addition to aligning with your dosha and practicing mindful eating, Ayurveda also recommends incorporating certain superfoods into your daily diet. These are nutrient-rich ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote vitality and immunity. Some of the most powerful Ayurvedic superfoods include turmeric, which fights inflammation; ghee, which nourishes your tissues and aids digestion; triphala, a powerful detoxifier; ashwagandha, which reduces stress and boosts energy; and tulsi or holy basil, which supports respiratory health and immunity. Adding even a few of these to your daily meals can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. One of the most important aspects of Ayurvedic nutrition is maintaining a strong digestive fire, known as Agni. A healthy Agni means better digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall energy. To keep your Agni strong, avoid overeating, consume freshly prepared meals, and use digestive spices like cumin, coriander, fennel, and ginger in your cooking. Also, sipping warm water throughout the day can support gentle detoxification and improve digestion. Ayurvedic nutrition is not just about the physical act of eating. It's a holistic practice that takes into account your unique constitution, the current season, your lifestyle, and your emotional state. When you follow Ayurvedic principles, you not only enhance your digestion and immunity, but also create a lifestyle that supports longevity, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. So, embrace this ancient wisdom. Let your food become your healing ally. Nourish your body, balance your energy, and feel the difference. With these small yet powerful changes, you can move towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Stay tuned for more videos from this playlist where we decode ancient Ayurvedic books and bring you practical tips you can follow every day. Until next time, take care of your body, your mind, and your soul. Namaskar.